अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं अपनी पहली बीवी के लिए कुछ कपड़े ले रहा हूँ और दूसरी को बोला पहली के लिए कुछ शॉपिंग कर ले। जी हाँ, ऐसा भी होता है। पहली वाली ने दूसरी को कबूल नहीं किया, दूसरी ने पहली को कबूल किया। देखें, अभी मैं डाउनटाउन में हूँ, आप देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे मैं आपको थोड़ा दिखाता हूँ मेरी वाइफ कौन सी दुकान में घुस गई है। यहाँ तो हेयर सैलून है। मुझे लगता, अच्छा इधर तो नहीं, देख लो इधर तो और है। Anna, I was looking outside. Did you find something?
Yeah.
Buy the comfortable one. You'll buy the wrong one, and then you start crying. It's very painful. Always do. Buy and then I can't walk.
You are from, sir?
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
But
Why
live-
are you here?
Live with my wife.
Who's your wife?
She. No, I come to Zamboanga to take a new wife.
Who's your wife?
Muslim can have 4 wives.
Oh.
Looking for second one in Zamboanga.
In what place in India?
No, in Pakistan.
What
Pakistani.
is in Pakistan?
Lahore.
Lahore?
Yeah, but I live in Hong Kong now.
Oh.
Yeah,
What's your work?
My one site surveyor. Site surveyor. Construction site, measuring the water level.
Like energy?
Yeah,
Engineer?
Yeah, engineer. Like, yeah, that's one. Hannah, look here, take a picture. Hannah. 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 Where
you are lucky you have like that husband. Yeah.
But she's very shy.
Why?
I don't know, too shy.
Yeah.
Some they start crying in
That-
public in
the
shyness.
Philippines is like that. More of Philippines. Yeah.
But you know,
Shy.
I think Maranao more. She's Maranao tribe.
Yeah. What's El Maranao pinaka-strong dito.
Yeah,
Yeah. They understand us.
Maranao
They understand the big ano?
one of
Yeah.
the strong.
Yeah, strong tribe, but very strict also. A little bit.
A little bit.
They're very
That's
strict.
good.
Sometimes very trouble also.
That's good. You understand speak English. Yeah. Decent speak English. That, di ba?
I like Zamboanga more. Very nice place.
And nice food.
Food is nice.
More food.
Very safe.
Vegetable, good vegetable, right?
Yeah, vegetable.
More on halal food.
What place in your Zamboanga City?
Davao po.
Davao?
Hong Kong.
She live in Davao.
Why you're here in Zamboanga City right now?
She's traveling.
What are you doing here?
Newly married.
Here.
Yeah, last month married. We're traveling Philippines.
Ah, really? That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, yan. Sure na po.
Ah, dito ka sa? Dito ka magkakasal.
Ay, hindi. Married lang ako kasama.
Married.
It's okay na
You
po.
meet in Facebook lang.
Kakilala siya ng
Then,
No, I was going Davao. She was studying in the school at that time. Maybe 17. She saw me. Yeah, she started liking me. And then we need to wait 2 years before she get mature and get married. She fallen in love with me.
ah, really? That,
Yeah. Really?
that really true?
Yeah. I was traveling.
All I think that many
No, what
many,
happened?
Many Pakistan like Philippines more.
Personally, I
For
never.
the beauty of the Philippines, many.
I think I agree with you. But I was here only for travel, only traveling.
That's good.
I asked her, you know, I was lost in Davao. I asked her, she started liking me. This is shy. I love traveling.
Sino to baby? Sino to baby?
Ha?
Baby ba?
Baby, not yet.
Baby.
Not yet.
Child. Este 7. Yan fit niya to.
Hannah, can
Do
you
you
try?
want to fit?
May ganito ako. May ganito ako.
37. 37. What's your family name?
Marawi. Not Marawi.
Hannah is now buying shoes. She likes spending money. Hannah. Hannah, come here, buy like this one. Hannah. Where is Hannah gone? Hannah, this one. Like this one, buy something like this one.
But this is flat. You want me to buy flat?
Oh, it's flat. It's comfortable for walking for you.
The heels one.
Look here, Anna.
Would you like me to buy some more?
Yeah, you can buy 2 pair, no problem. You like spending money? Just kidding, just kidding. What is size? One size maybe bigger than
37 or 38. Maybe she's 39.
at 39, and mom maybe I think so 41. I accept. Buy for mom also.
What do you think Sarah's favorite color?
I have no idea.
But brown is
Let me wait. Let me call mom.
very color.
Let me call mom. In Hong Kong, I think she wear Saira wear. Let me. Yep. No, red. तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं जूती ले रहा अपनी वालदा के लिए और अपनी वाइफ के लिए.
How about this sir? Do you want?
This one, no, something like this one for my mother.
It's very not.
This one.
Last pair.
Last pair. Okay, I asked my mother.
Okay. They're all nice.
This one, this one. अम्मी कोई और चुन ले, वो 40 में नहीं है. अभी देख रहे हैं इधर गोल्डन आई डोंट लाइक है ना.
Only 38 and this one 37. 37 is my size.
हाँ ना गोल्डन कलर यू.
Yeah.
Okay, buy it then 36 golden. Buy it. Okay, buy it.
Ito na lang final.
Pag-gold na lang.
Okay.
ये आप देख सकते हैं ये सारी चीज़ें ली हैं मैंने.
Gold na lang.
The gold color you can't wear every day. The problem is that. Either get black color you can wear with everyday clothes.
Why?
Can you really wear every day?
Yeah.
Because
The
you already
dress is long.
you already have a golden heel. You're not wearing that one. This is the second same color. You know.
I only wear it once.
Then why you have to buy the same color again? Same color, same style.
The size.
Okay, buy it. Or she already have this one same style, same color. I don't know. Buying the same again. I don't understand her.
No, it's different. It's same like that.
Okay, just buy it now. Yeah.
Okay, I will count.
Mag-away na lang kayo dito.
Nag-away kayo dalawa, minsan. Away-away.
How much this one?
Oo, bumili ako ng heels same color. Kaya yun, bumili ako ng pareho.
Sino mo ballpen, Rich?
Uh-huh.
Hindi mo yung ballpen niya. Kabay, siya ka po. Kaya ballpen. Punta na mo calculator.
Give me this one. The back. That's all. Oh, it's okay.
Oh my God. Sir, the counter is cannot use.
Oh,
I will.
Yeah, calculator, okay.
Okay. Very small.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very sorry.
How much like there, sir?
In Hong Kong, I bought for around $2,000, 2,000 Hong Kong dollar, around 250 US dollar. 250 US dollar, how much is 1 million? 2,000 Hong Kong dollar is around 14,000 peso, 1/4. Yeah, 1/4. 1/4, yeah. Give me some discount also.
Only two like this, sir?
This one is for who? 39 is for who? This one only. Okay. Yeah, put size. I'm just checking because size. This one is for who, Anu? 38 this one. Can fit you? Huh? And this one 38 fit you? Are you sure? Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah.
Pero may family ka dito sa Zamboanga be. May family ka dito sa Zamboanga.
Tapos, sana
Vlogger kayo dalo?
Yeah.
Vlogger?
Yeah, blogger.
Okay, me too.
Oh,
Search me, Mitch Estrada. You will see my blogger there.
On YouTube?
I'm childish.
On YouTube?
No,
Facebook?
Facebook.
Oh.
Just search. You will
Yeah,
see my face there.
I'm searching. Tell me. Oh, I connect on internet.
nag-vlog ka sa Facebook ba yung traffic update? Yung video sa Facebook? TikTok lang?
TikTok lang? TikToker lang. But my private. You cannot see it if we not friends.
Oh, I will friend you, don't worry.
Visit here, sir, again.
Yeah, definitely.
Come again.
Yeah, definitely.
Only to in school. Be, only to in school. Baka, birang aki wala, sine ka. Sine ka, baby. You won't have a chance, sir.
Definitely.
How old are you, sir?
31. She's 21.
It's that date is true love. 31. $3,173.
That don't sound good.
Okay.
Weather condition, cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms dahil po sa shear line. Again, ang shear line po mga kabrigada ako din. Di man hindi ang wave na si cold front sa pati yung may kalor, no? Sa likod ng Pacific Ocean. Ito rin ang airline. Anyway, so posible, no? Flash flood or landslide mga kabrigada. Siniste ay pinamot.
Power the okay.
तकरीबन पाकिस्तान के 15,500 रुपये बन रहे हैं। यहाँ के 3,100, 15,500 रुपये बन रहे हैं। 15,500 रुपये का हमने ये सारी शॉपिंग की है। 7 जूतियाँ ली हैं, 2 कमीज़ें ली हैं। 7 जूतियाँ 2 कमीज़ें हैं। सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।